Good evening. Tonight at the Music Gallery was short closing ceremony. This is a reminder to all visitors that the music door will close at 6 p.m. Thank you.
You can see another thing through this gallery. Mars brings vivid red colour to presence of ionizers in its nucleus. A large crack you can see in the middle of the planet is Mesmerising, a canyon over 4,000 kilometers long and some 2.5 kilometers deep. It's the largest planet in the solar system. These images were taken by the Cassini spacecraft and clearly show Jupiter's distinctive stripes. These bands of colour are made up of different types of gas twice as fast as the strongest experienced field on Earth. You are looking at Io, one of Jupiter's largest moons. Jupiter has so many moons circling it that some people describe the planet as having its own solar system. Io's surface is covered in hundreds of active volcanoes, spewing
Touch the screen to start, but it's not starting, man. Oh yeah.
And its striking Europa and Callisto. This view of Io is a combination of images taken by two different spacecraft that explored Jupiter and its moons, Voyager in the 1970s and Galileo in the 1990s. This planet looks like Earth, but it is actually an artist's impression of what a distant Earth-like planet might look like. In this imagined world, you can see continents, oceans, and clusters of cloud to have the right conditions to support life. However, vast distances separate us from most exoplanets. One recently discovered exoplanet, Kepler 452b, is 1,400 miles and would take 25 million years. Our journey through the solar system and beyond reveals the power of space technology today. We are using it to learn more about our own planet, our neighbours in the solar system, and even planets far beyond Earth in deep space. These beautiful images stitched together from pictures sent back from the many satellites that orbit Earth, high above our heads. You can see oceans, continents, clouds, and the ice and snow of the north and south poles. Swirls of clouds called cyclones gather over the South Atlantic, and they look like images and information, not only of Earth, but of other worlds in space. This view of the sun was captured by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory over 5 days in 2011. What it flashes you can see are coronal mass ejections in solar flares. These are caused by contortions in its Earth's orbit that can be harmed by intense bursts of solar radiation. The 8 planets of the solar system revolve around the sun, held in orbit by its intense gravitational pull. At its surface, the sun is a scorching 5,500 degrees Celsius, but it is just the right distance from Earth. This stunning composite image, which has been artificially coloured blue and yellow, was captured by NASA's Messenger spacecraft, which reached Mercury in 2011. You can see that Mercury's surface is heavily cratered from asteroid and meteorite impacts. Messenger has also sent accident craters from countless asteroid and meteorite impacts over
acclimatize the body
millions
to
of
the suit's oxygen
Some of the
atmosphere.
craters are over 2 billion years
This
old.
is the shuttle spacesuit,
A large
which
dark
comes apart
area
at the waist
is
if someone can get into it.
it.
It has separate glass helmet and is made of interchangeable components. Suits can therefore be made to fit almost anybody, male or female. It's a lot easier putting it on in weight. I've already put on a pair with cooling on.
可不错，而且这些字也并不是那种文字。
This is next door in our Making the Modern World program. Here is Mars is one of the four planets that potentially
have seen at the moment is absolutely mind-blowing. Absolutely, the different machinery from this engineer called Watt from the 18th and 19th century. What an engineer invented the steam machine, and then we went to the space department, the exhibits of the space, absolutely mind-blowing. They have exclusive pieces from the space era, which was started in the 50s and 60s, the Russians, the Americans, and now we have our friend here, science fiction, a lot of art and inventing new things. Look, our friend. Out. Okay, thank you. It's time to get out. Let's go. Thank you for visiting.
I remember that because
Thank you for visiting. Let's get out. We will come back. Thank you. We will come back.